How to pipe unrooted emails to a specific script in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to pipe unrooted emails to a script. Click the default address icon. Click the Advanced Options link. Click the Pipe to a Program option, then enter the script name. Click the Change button. That's it! Email piping has been set up for all unrooted emails for this domain. You can always return to this screen to make changes to your email piping. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up email piping for unrooted emails in cPanel.